Double-hung Windows Rowlett TX are a popular choice for homeowners seeking both style and functionality. These windows offer easy operation and excellent ventilation, making them a top pick for many Rowlett residents. With a variety of materials and finishes available, double-hung windows can be customized to fit any home design in Rowlett, Texas. Rowlett Window Installation services provide expert solutions for all your window needs. Whether you're looking to install new energy-efficient windows or replace old ones, our team of window contractors in Rowlett TX ensures a seamless process. Our professional installation guarantees that your windows will perform optimally, enhancing both the aesthetic and energy efficiency of your home. Energy-efficient windows. Rowlett are essential for reducing energy costs and improving home comfort. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. By choosing energy-efficient windows, Rowlett homeowners can enjoy significant savings on their energy bills while contributing to a greener environment. For those in need of Rowlett window replacement services, our team offers comprehensive solutions tailored to your specific needs. From vinyl windows in Rowlett to custom windows Rowlett, Texas, we provide a wide range of options to suit any style and budget. Our window replacement services ensure that your new windows are installed with precision and care. Vinyl windows in Rowlett are a durable and cost-effective option for homeowners. Known for their low maintenance and long-lasting performance, vinyl windows are a popular choice for those seeking quality and affordability. Our Rowlett Window Contractors can help you select the perfect vinyl windows to enhance your home's appearance and energy efficiency. Double-hung windows. Rowlett, Texas offers personalized solutions for homeowners looking to add a unique touch to their homes. With a variety of styles, materials, and finishes available, custom windows can be designed to match any architectural style. Our window experts, Rowlett TX, work closely with you to create windows that reflect your personal taste and enhance your home's curb appeal. Rowlett window repair experts are here to address any issues you may have with your existing windows. From broken window glass to damaged window frames, our team provides prompt and reliable repair services. We understand the importance of maintaining your window's functionality and appearance, and our window repair services ensure that your windows remain in top condition. Window Contractors, Rowlett TX, are your go-to professionals for all things windows. Whether you need new installations, replacements, or repairs, our team of experienced contractors delivers exceptional service and quality workmanship. We pride ourselves on our attention to detail and commitment to customer satisfaction. Home windows Rowlett come in a variety of styles and materials to suit any home design. From traditional to modern, our selection of residential windows Rowlett offers something for every taste. Our window consultation services help you navigate the many options available, ensuring you make the best choice for your home. Double-hung windows. Rowlett services provide expert solutions for all your glass needs. Whether you need new glass for a window replacement or repairs for a cracked pane, our team delivers high-quality glass services. We offer a range of glass options to enhance your window's performance and appearance. Window frame. Rowlett options are available in various materials, including wood, vinyl, and aluminum. Each material offers unique benefits, and our window experts, Rowlett TX, can help you choose the best frame for your needs. A well-chosen window frame not only enhances your home's aesthetic, but also improves its energy efficiency. Rowlett window styles range from classic to contemporary, offering something for every homeowner. Our window design Rowlett services help you explore the many styles available, ensuring you find the perfect match for your home. Whether you prefer the timeless look of double-hung windows or the sleek design of casement windows, we have the options you need. Window maintenance Rowlett TX is crucial for keeping your windows in top condition. Regular maintenance helps prevent issues such as drafts, leaks, and operational problems. Our window services in Rowlett include comprehensive maintenance plans to ensure your windows remain functional and efficient. Rowlett window upgrades offer an excellent opportunity to enhance your home's energy efficiency and curb appeal. From upgrading to energy-efficient windows to installing new window features, our team provides expert guidance and installation services. Our window solutions in Rowlett are designed to meet your specific needs and preferences. Window design. Rowlett focuses on creating beautiful and functional windows that complement your home's architecture. Our team of window experts, Rowlett TX, works with you to design windows that enhance your home's aesthetic and performance. With a range of styles and materials available, we can create the perfect windows for your home. Rowlett Window Solutions provide comprehensive services for all your window needs. From installation to repair, our team offers expert solutions to ensure your windows perform optimally. Our window services in Rowlett are designed to meet the unique needs of each homeowner, providing quality and reliability you can trust.